Hey everyone, welcome to the final day of Vlogtober. We have finally come to an end. So it's a little bit earlier actually today, so it's 7:10. So I'll be leaving for school. Me and my dad are driving separately because I'll be done earlier today. So that's very nice. So I'm gonna leave now. I have to teach one of my professor's classes for one of my assignments, and then after that I can come home, which is really nice. So on my way home I'll stop by the gym, do that, and then kind of be home. So yeah, I'm really happy about that, and I can actually be here to hand out some of the candy for trick-or-treaters that are coming. So I really love seeing the costumes, so that will be fun. But yeah, so today will be a nice and short day, which I'm very much looking forward to. I'll get to school, I'll edit Vlogtober from yesterday, kind of go over my PowerPoint one more time, and then head off to that. And by the time, everything's, I'll be kind of done around probably around 10:30, 11. So that is nice, and I get to beat the traffic home. Always a good thing, but Tucker is being lazy and he's not getting out of bed, so we'll see. He was really struggling this morning, I think, because it's been really dark out the past few days, but tomorrow we get to sleep in, so that is good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go head off to school. Alrighty everyone, so it's a little bit after 1. I am home now. I did my presentation to the class today, which went well, and so I went to the gym afterwards, had Chipotle for lunch because treat yourself, and then I did a little grocery shopping, so I'll kind of show you some of the stuff that I got. I'm going to be making like an orzo chickpea lemon soup, so we'll see how it turns out, but it's just a dreary day. Like, I'm soaking wet still from the gym, and like my feet are wet, like it's just really rainy. So hopefully the kitties do come today for Halloween. We'll see, but I'll quickly show you some of the stuff I got. Alrighty, so I got Tucker a jacket. They are really killing it at Walmart for the dog stuff, so I got him this jacket. Oh my goodness. I went with the Scarborough dinner jacket to be like classy. So I have that here that I'll give it to him. I got some orzo and some vegetable broth and lemon juice for the soup. I got the live action remake of The Lion King, which I haven't seen yet, but I'm really excited to. My brother, actually everyone wants to see it because we grew up watching The Lion King, so we're probably going to watch it, probably not this weekend because my brother's not going to be home. But yeah, I got some binder dividers because I always need them, and I've been kind of mismatching some, so I needed a set of that. I got another one of my face wash, and then I want to try like a scrub too in the shower because my skin gets very dry and it's flaky almost on like my forehead and my nose. So we'll see how all this turns out, but I'm excited to start the soup, and then I'm just gonna hop in the shower and I'll give Tucker his little jacket in a little bit while he dries off from outside. Tucker, did you get a new sweater? Did you get a jacket? Come here, come see. Come on, you got a new jacket. Come on. Come on. Whose is this? Whose is this? Let's see. You're gonna be so cozy in your new jacket. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay, sit. Good boy. Oh my goodness. You're gonna be so cute. Oh. Let's see. Yay! Look at you! It's got little pockets too! You got a sweater, let's see! Your new jacket? Do you have a jacket? Come on! You can shake! You can shake! Oh man, do you have a new jacket? Let's see! Come on! Oh my gosh, Tucker! Tucker, look, there's a chippy! Is there a chippy over there? Do I see a chippy? Yay! Come on, let's go see the chippy. Go see Chippy. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Is that your new sweater? You look adorable. Very beautiful, Tucker. Alrighty everyone, so it is 9 o'clock now and I am heading off to bed. So this evening we just took it really easy. I did my soup and everything and it actually turned out really delicious. So I'll leave a link down below. I got it off of Pinterest. It was so good, really easy to make, so that was good. Only one kid came for trick-or-treating, which was a little bit funny, but we basically gave her all our candy because I'm like, get it out of the house because I will just eat it all and like nibble on it. So that was cute. She was dressed as a little cat and all that stuff, and I was able to edit the book haul to go up tomorrow, so I got that out of the way as well. But I'm just not feeling good right now. I feel like I'm getting a cold. I've moved up on my weights too, so like my body is sore. I went up from 5 to 10, which may not seem like a big deal, but it's a big difference. So my arms, back, legs are very sore, so yeah, there is that. But overall, I just want to say thank you guys so much for kind of watching these vlogs. I know I don't really lead a very interesting, Tucker's eating some ice cubes, interesting life, but I liked bringing you guys along with it, and just getting your comments every day was something I really looked forward to. So just thank you so much for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna sign off now for the final Vlogtober of 2019. I'll be back for Vlogmas, so be prepared for that. It'll probably be more festive, and I'll have a bit more free time, so that will be good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching all these. I really appreciate it, and all of that fun stuff. So I am looking forward to a little break from editing and all that stuff, because it does get a little overwhelming. But like I said, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys December 1st. Bye guys.